warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For the project description, which is for the specification, this project does not make use of any specialized machine. Only professionals are employed, such as surveyor, architect, energy auditors, engineers, and technicians. For the objective, this project is conduct an audit and observation of the energy consumption of electrical appliances within the Unimap'S building. The review and analyze energy usage history to create a work breakdown structure (WBS) for which saving can be measured in the audited building. For the scope of the project, this project is conducted for the Unimap'S building within 14 days. It consists of 30 activities, each which is handled by a different resource. The work breakdown structure was used as the starting point for the audit process, which was followed by the network diagram. So from this list of activity, we can see around 13 activities have been done. And for example, from this description, measure and draw area of the building is one of the example of the list of activity. Thank you.
After listing all the activity, we need to consider the resource requirement for each activity. For our project, it can be seen that we need surveyor, architect, energy auditor, engineer, and technician. For each of the resource, we need to also consider the number of working days, the number of resource, and also the rate that they need to be paid. After considering all the variables, we need budget around 2,110 ringgit for our project. After dividing the budget for each activity, we can also get back the 2,110 ringgit. Linear responsibility chart is to confirm which team member is responsible for the activity. This is to avoid confusion between team members. For example, engineer is the one who is responsible for the no cost and low cost measures.
For activity on node diagram, activity from WBS will be placed inside left-sided of the box, while the activity duration will be placed inside right-sided of the box. Based on AON diagram, activity of float day can be calculated as a difference between its latest start and earliest start time, or as the difference between its latest and earliest finishing time. According to slack activity table, the activity that has 0 slack day can be considered as a critical path. And critical path for this project is activity A, F, I, J, K, and M. Which this activity cannot be delayed. If this activity is delayed, the project will take more than minimum duration to complete the project, which is within 8.5 days.
For my part, I will be presenting on the Gantt chart for this audit. This Gantt chart, from this Gantt chart, we can see all activities are listed, and the description has list all the name. In this Gantt chart, it took 14 days for the audit to be completed. Next is the conclusion. The main expectation of this project is to build energy efficiency work that further on reducing consumption and cost for Unimap'S building. From the work breakdown structure, the audit is estimated to be complete in 14 days with 13 activities planned. It can be we can see from the Gantt chart that show the audit can be complete within those days. For future, improvement can be made by the use of renewable energy sources and change in the installation procedure for an effective, efficient, cleaner and greener environment. And that's it from our group. Thank you.